This week, Megan asks, Anna, is RF microneedling safe in the summer? Megan, I'm so glad you asked that question, and I'm sure you've been following us on social media and you see that we've launched RF microneedling. The short answer is yes. This technology is great for all skin types all year long, as it does not make you photosensitive. I've been doing the microneedling RF treatments, and I can tell you from firsthand experience that the pinkness and the tiny bit of swelling that you get goes away within a couple of hours. I go out to dinner that same night and my skin looks amazing the next day. So if you've got acne, scarring, texture issues, pore size, or overall skin laxity concerns, this is a perfect treatment for you to do all year long.